The markets have taken the decision that the Brexit referendum is affecting the UK and the EU more so than the rest of the world. So the further away you are from the storm, the less impact you're going to see. And I think that was the decision that the US markets made.
Let's have a look at some of the implications that you've been looking at in particular. The negative implications stemming from the Brexit in the UK may be limited, I guess you could say, by the depreciating pound and also the potential for the BOE to undertake some stimulus measures. Is that a view that you share?
Yes, that is part of it. I mean, the first thing is you have to make the assumption that UK growth is going to slow down, and it could slow down to a recession. How does the Bank of England react to that? They're probably going to lower interest rates or take some measures to support the economy. The decline in sterling over the medium term should play positively to UK companies that export to outside the EU in particular.
Tell us about the currency outlook. Do you expect sterling and euro to continue their falls? I was speaking with one top player this morning on the rundown, essentially suggesting that they have a significant way to go yet. We haven't found a bottom for pound and euro.
That is a very difficult question to answer because they theoretically are entering into 2 years of negotiations.
Yeah,
so what is the end product is very difficult to tell. I have seen some bank forecasts suggesting further significant declines in sterling. I've seen some bank forecasts saying we're stabilizing around these levels. It is not clear to me who is correct, in particular because you already, on the political side in the UK, both major parties have their leadership challenged. In one case, the Prime Minister stepping down. The other one, they had a vote of no confidence against the leader of the Labour Party. So it's extremely unclear, so it's hard to tell.
Just on that issue, how do you see the political situation in the UK playing out? Do you have a view on that? Because it's also been suggested this week that there's a growing level of concern in the market about the potential for Boris Johnson to be taking over the Prime Ministership.
Yeah, there are a couple of candidates from the Tory party that would potentially take over. It seems that Boris Johnson is the biggest name that people are talking about. However, how he is going to proceed forward with the Brexit negotiations with the Eurozone is unclear. He has a long history of watching these type of things when he was a journalist well before he became a politician. So it is not clear how he's going to proceed. A lot of articles are actually writing how he's going to approach it. Is he soft on Brexit or is he very committed to it as he was during the campaign?